Ella, I don't think Michaela knows how to use the horn yet.
It's your pacifier.
What? Ball.
That's the ball. Can you give her the ball?
Okay.
Oh, you're going to put the ball up there, huh? Yes, let's protect Michaela's head again. Are you going to hit the ball? Luckily for us, her swing isn't that mighty yet. Oh. And then there's little Michaela, who gets things shoved in her mouth and earlier got a ball dropped on her head. And now just really wants to eat. Huh. Aw, big yawn. You're the best. Is your daddy silly, Michaela? Yeah. And Ella, mighty swing. Mighty swing. Go! Oh, you did it.
Bye.
Yay!